G'day folks, so here is the new GoPro Hero 2018, and I'm going to do a test to see what happens if you try to use it in the Karma Grip. Now, according to GoPro, it does not work with the Karma Grip, but according to GoPro's documentation, a third-party microphone using the GoPro adapter will not work with the GoPro Hero 2018 version, but it does, and I'll show you a demonstration of that at the end of this video. But I just want to see what will happen if we put this into the Karma Grip. Now, I'm pretty confident that a lot of the limitations of the Hero 2018 version is all firmware related. Maybe that's something GoPro might change in the future, but let's just see what happens here. So we'll remove the side door. So it mounts in there with no problem. So let's power it up. So as you can see there, it turned the camera on when I hit the power button on the handle. The GoPro actually powered on, but we get that message USB connected. Now a lot of people had that problem with the Hero5 and Hero6, kind of a bug that would appear every now and then. So indeed, it will not work. I can't start recording. I can't really do anything. Now I'm pretty confident, like I said, that that is just a firmware limitation, and I really hope that GoPro does remove that, and here's the reason why. So here is the new GoPro 2018 mounted in the Feotech G5. That makes no sense to me. It works perfectly fine. We can record, do whatever. For the life of me, I can't understand why GoPro, I kind of get that they want to limit the functionality of this camera so people will be more up to buying a higher end one, but to make your own hardware incompatible, so people are going to be forced to go out and buy a third-party gimbal. That makes no sense to me. I don't know if GoPro really thought that through. And it's not only the fact that it's not compatible with the Karma Grip, the Feotech is $100 cheaper. So are people going to upgrade their cameras so they can buy a more expensive gimbal? Or are they going to just say, oh, I think I'll just get the Feotech G5. It's $100 cheaper and it works. You know, so that's really perplexing to me. But yeah, I really like the idea that GoPro has made a nice camera that is affordable for everybody. I don't know if the tactic is going to work the way they're intending it to. I really do hope they change their train of thought and maybe enable use with the Karma Grip via firmware update. Maybe not the drone, but at least the Karma Grip. You know, you don't want people going out to buy your competition because it's not compatible with your own hardware. Now let's go on to the microphone. Like I said, in the documentation it states that you cannot use the GoPro microphone adapter with the Hero 2018, but it does work. So let's just do a quick demonstration here for you. So now I'll hit the record button and we'll just talk into the microphone. This is a test of the audio with the GoPro Hero 2018 without a microphone. This is a test of the audio on the GoPro Hero 2018 without a microphone. This is a test using an external microphone on the GoPro Hero 2018. Again, this is a test using a third-party microphone on the GoPro Hero 2018. So yeah, folks, that's it for this video. Kind of interesting. Stay tuned. I am still working on my comparison video. I'm going to be comparing this against the Hero 6, and we'll see what kind of differences there is. Now, this is more closely related to the Hero 5, but the reason I'm going to be comparing it to the Hero 6 is because it's the latest camera from GoPro, their flagship camera, and people who may buy this, they may want to see what they could be getting if they, the difference if they go to the Hero 6. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon. That way you get notified when I do upload new videos. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next one.